What's up, guys? I'm doing this review. Let's just play it. It's a mukbang. They gave me the mac and cheese with the Cheetos on this on separate. That's good because I thought they forgot it, but they did that for Kentucky, I guess. And I got some buffalo fries. I would have liked to put chicken on it, but I think I could have asked for it. But I'm already eating chicken sandwich. Type of too much chicken. Right here, right here. Can't really see the fries, but there they are. And the sandwich of the show. I got their spiciest sandwich, so let's see if it's spicy or not. I'm scared. This is a kale slaw. It has a kale slaw on it. A kale coleslaw, so let's try it. I need a drink, I'll get a drink, but I probably won't. This is the big sandwich, look at this. Oh shit, it's still falling apart. It's falling apart, hold on. I'm trying to put everything back together because it's falling apart. It's really, really soggy, the sandwich. There I go. Ugh. There we go. Anyways. Okay, it's spicy, but it's not like crazy spicy like I won't keep eating. Oh man, there is a kick to it though, a good kick. Can't even see my sandwich. Hold on. There it is. I'm thirsty. I tried this hot Cheetos mac and cheese.
No me vuelvas a llamar. God damn. Stella, please. I'm gonna leave it here with you. I'm gonna spray it up. Refill it.
Okay.
You're online?
Nah, just making a mukbang.
What is this? The Cluck City Cluckers?
No, this is the urban chicken.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had that already. Fire.
Yeah.
Stella, stay.
My brother-in-law came in the mix. Where he lives in Houston, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 places, well 5 I would say. Well, I guess 4 because 1 is a tender shack. They don't claim to be Nashville hot chicken. You try sauce. They're ooh, that's fire. It's a special sauce because I feel like every chicken place has their own sauce, and that's fire, dude. That is fire. This is good. But what I'm gonna say is, I've had from here where they live, my brother and my sister. I think 2 places so far, and they're delicious. They're very, very delicious. So, but that does have a kick to it. Nothing crazy, because I've had hotter chicken. Trust me, I had hotter chicken. If you ever had Cook Shack in Texas, don't know how that got in there, but that was a piece of a lettuce or cabbage. But if you ever had Cook Shack in Texas, because I don't think it's in another state. That is spicy. I had the spiciest one they had. My God, I had chicken and waffles. I couldn't even eat it. I could not even eat it. It was that hot, dude. I tried to eat it, but man, that was hot. I don't care for thick cut pickles like this or like this. That's why I'm not gonna eat them. I care for much thinner pickles. So sauce it up. Man, this is good. I'm definitely gonna be full for it tonight. I have a soccer game to go to, and I don't give a care about that. I have club level food. I don't sit at club level. I sit in the section where it gets me access to club level. So you know that food is delicious in itself. Tonight on the menu, they always give me a menu. They always give me what's on the menu, email, and it's chicken and waffles. So I'm eating late. It's currently like 1 something, almost 2. I'll probably go to the game, just eat a little bit of it, and then go downstairs. Man, this is good. The mac and cheese is good. It's fire. My mouth's on fire, so I don't really taste the hot Cheetos, but it's fire. The mac and cheese by itself. I mean, with the, because we get the crunch. It's fire. Man, it's good. I don't normally I like to do DoorDash a lot here because I feel like there's so much options I can deliver around here, and some of it's kind of far. Like this was 40 minutes, which is worth it because it's delicious. But if I had to tell you, would I get it again? Probably not, because it's kind of expensive. If I'm here, probably not. I'll just try it once, and if I'm able to go visit it, I'll do that. Excuse me. So yeah, and like I say, their sauce is pretty good. Like this sauce right here is good. I'm dipping in my sandwich. Fire. I don't care for pickles like that. I don't. No thick ass pickle. Like, let me be honest with you. I barely like pickles as it is. So, me eating it thick it's kind of like I like them. As a thin sliced pickle. And it's good. I mean, they're good. Because I grew up loving fried pickles, of course. It's going to be good because fried. Anything because fried. You know. That's why we go to the fair. Like the rodeo fair. And we get fried stuff there. I think one year I had a fried cheesecake. I thought it was good. But in my opinion, that's the one thing you don't need to fry. Because I love cheesecake. That's my favorite cake of all. You know, I've asked for it. I have asked my sister to make it for me. Oh, ooh, that buffalo sauce is tangy. Ooh. I asked for it in a burger. I mean, in a burger. I asked for her to make it for a birthday party for me. Like a birthday cake. And it's delicious. So. But I wouldn't say you would fry it. Man, there's so much going on in this. Ooh. Dude, look at that. I'm not gonna eat it by itself. I'm gonna tap that bite. Dude. Okay, let's talk about this, and then I'm gonna get my reaction coming once done with this. So I delivered this to me, right? It was 40 minutes. Is it worth it? Yes. But what I get again? No, because it's kind of expensive and far. If I want to rush to eat delivery food. But what I'm gonna tell you is, damn, I forgot. Oh, being kind of far, everything it tastes so fresh. Everything like the burger wasn't like the chicken sandwich wasn't hot. It was warm, kind of. The fries were definitely warm. The that's the container they put in the mac and cheese. It made them hot still. That's pretty good. So what I'm trying to tell y'all is, I don't mind my dog. I have a dog here, but I don't mind all this being like this, like warm. But my thing is, it's crazy because the bacon on that, I just showed y'all, it's super damn crispy. Like you would think, being all the way from 40 minutes, almost 50, all the way over here, will make something soggy. Like the fries, of course, they're not gonna be, what is it, crispy, because I got loaded fries. I got not loaded fries, but I got like drenched fries. I got ranch and buffalo sauce on it, so of course it's gonna be soggy. But I expected that, but when I've been eating it, the buffalo has been delicious. It's not like a vinegary buffalo sauce. It's more of a tangy, a little bit vinegary. Delicious. I like it. I know what those. And this is pretty good. There's two things I like when I'm eating like meat, like a dish and eight sides. It would have to be macaroni and cheese and then mashed potatoes. If those things are on point, your place is the whole meal is gonna be perfect. And that's pretty good. The fries are good, and this is delicious. And the sauce right here, yeah, I can't even explain it. It's like think of a cane sauce, but with sweet and sour in it. If you get what I'm saying, it's pretty good. Like it's sweet. Like it just balances the sandwich together. Like if I just rinsed it on there and ate it, my God, it's fucking delicious, dude. Like it is. Like I can't like. This is. Oh. Like I said, I don't have all this where I live in Houston. I live in like exactly where I live, if you want to know. I live where there's a bunch of Mexican restaurants. And that pisses me off. Well, actually, no. There's a place called Chicken Hughes. It's a Peruvian restaurant. That place slaps. Besides that, everything else is like Mexican food. You do have a Brew Wings for not Brew Wings, a Big City Wings for wings. You do it. Oh shit. You do have what else? I think that's it. Because I have like a Burger King, McDonald's, Wendy's. I have all that. I have like a McDonald's, Jack in the Box, Burger King, Whataburger, Sonic. It's never close to me. But if I want like this kind of quality food, I ain't gonna get it because I don't have it next to me. So this is fire. And believe it or not, it is spicy, but not the spiciest I ever had. I think the Cook Shack hottest one they have, we had signed a waiver. I'll be honest with you. I've gone to Dave's Hot Chicken. Y'all know what that is. If y'all don't know, Yeah, I don't know, but if y'all know, y'all know. That place is very disappointing on their spicy chicken tender. Because it makes you sign a waiver, I think. I don't remember. I think I had to. And that was wimpy. It was spicy, but it was like like trying to scratch your tongue off, kind of spicy. This, from one to spicy, I mean for 10 to being the spiciest and 1 being the wimpiest, I would say it's a 5. Like there's definitely a kick to it, but it's not like blow me away. Like the only reason I'm drinking water is because I haven't had water all day, and I know I'm gonna be wanting a drink tonight. Just 1 or 2, probably 1. So I need to be hydrated up. So yeah. And if you see all this slaw in here, I really don't care for kale slaw. Like I'm more of a like I don't really know how coleslaw is made, but I'm original coleslaw kind of dude. Like give me that instead of kale slaw, because it's already unhealthy as it is because there's mayonnaise in here, but and I don't really eat carrots like that, so. Man, that's good. This is good. That's why I tell my sister or my no, I don't tell my sister. I tell my cousin because he wants to move to Magnolia. That's like the country, like the more woodsy area where you have more land, kind of like area. I told him, you're never gonna get this because if you're gonna live so like where his father-in-law lives. There's places to eat, but it's not like this, but like here. Like I don't know. That's why every time I'm here, I try to deliver food to me here. Because if I don't go to it, I'm never gonna have it. Or if I do have it, it's gonna not be a treat because I'm not treating myself. Well, as I am if I do, with my sister or anybody goes with me. But I feel like just doing it right now because it's good. And plus, it's a late day for me because yesterday we went to go see Fat Lawn Cavalry. Now, if you don't know who Fat Lawn Cavalry is, which I didn't know, I told my sister, I may not know a lot of songs, but they're bop. Like, all the songs are really good. They're like, yeah. And, long story, what I'm saying is, my sister, she went to college in Texas Tech University. I may not go to college, but I respect people who do. And I respect U of H and Texas Tech because one of my brother-in-laws from Texas Tech and sisters, and then one of my other brother-in-law is from U of H and my dad. So I have respect for them. Yeah, this sauce is definitely sweet. Because I think it comes with sauce already on it. But adding more is just like top of the table, top of the charts. And delish. I'm gonna finish my macaroni and cheese and throw the rest of the fries away because the fries are good, but Not enough to finish them, if that makes sense. I could have got them regular and I'll be happy with it. Or I could have got the ranch. Next time I'll do that. Because they gave me an option. Get the ranch and the bubble sauce on the side. And then it could be at least fresh. Not fresh, but not soggy. This is good, man. Now my mouth cooled down a lot from the chicken sando. I'm starting to taste the the hot Cheetos. That's funny. That's funny. But yeah, went to the concert last night. Amazing concert. Let me tell you, the first guy that came out, I forgot his name. I'll definitely put it on in the comments down below. I mean, on the description down below if you want to go follow. If you want to hear those guys, because I thought the first guy who came out sounded way better than the second guy. And with that being said, he did 2 renditions. He did "Hey Good Looking" and "You Don't Call Me By My Name," but he skipped that song to make it short. Like, he did a part of it, and they got to the good part, and they ended it. Which, in my opinion, hold on, the napkin's behind you. Have you hold on the napkin rack. Kind of pissed me off, cause that song, you don't disrespect that song by starting it, getting to the middle, and then finishing it. But he did what he did, and he's not good doing it. Don't get me wrong. So I didn't complain. I just like, wow, okay, that's how you gonna do that song. And then we finished the night, listening to the main concert. We drank some drinks. We came home and ate, and then I got this. I don't even think I'm gonna eat tonight. I'm like full now, and the games are like 6, you at 7. Oh, fuck. I should have waited, but this was worth it, honestly, for the one time, I should say. Because like I said before, it's good. It's far from the house where I'm at, but for the one time I'm glad I did try it. I'm glad it was delicious, but I wouldn't get it again. Not going to it per se, just delivering it because it's kind of far. Excuse me. But yeah, guys, that was a 10 out of 10. The coleslaw, I'll be honest with you. If you have a spicy coleslaw, if you have a coleslaw, that's kale. Like I said, I don't care for it. But if you have a spicy tender chicken sandwich, you need something to cut it. And it did cut it to help a little bit. Ooh, my stomach's gonna be bubbling. Oh, I can already feel it. All the spices. Nah, but it was good. I give a chicken mix 10 out of 10. The macaroni 11 out of 10. I say that because you can't go too far off the scale because you don't rate the scale. And then I get the fries, probably a solid 9. Not an 8 because they were soggy, but I understood. I could have done that on the side and side. I just did it all together. Don't be looking at spicy stuff. If you do, you're gonna be shitting your brains. I didn't realize I dropped food and the dog's licking it up on the ground. Anyways, I think I'm gonna wait till like 2:30, 3, go home, decompress. That means for me, I've been eating spicy food. I already feel like doing a chemical reaction in my body. It's not gonna be fun, but I know how to combat it. All you need is dare. That's the thing. Let me tell you this, and I'm gonna go because it's getting longer than I expected the video. If you want to do all these crazy, stupid challenges of spicy food, that's fine. Go ahead and do that. You don't know what that is? That's an alarm. Because I guess he's getting in front of the camera and sensors in front of the house, back of the house. Everybody doing work. But if you want to do all these spice challenges, that's fine. Just know that you're going to feel it like minutes later because your body is chemically reacting to the spice. And depending on what spice you eat, it gotta be excreted. So there's two ways you could do that. You're gonna have a fire in the whole butthole, or two, you're gonna have a acid piss. And I had acid piss twice in my life. And that's not fun. And I'm telling you this because, guys, y'all need to be aware of this because it's not fun. You can be macho about doing all these challenges. I get it, right? No reaction. Not saying it's spicy. Saying put more spice. Whatever. When you go to restaurants or eat at home, put more sauce. Whatever. But if you don't know how to combat it or how to prepare yourself, you're gonna be stupid. Because if you're gonna do it, I would say this. Then I'm gonna go. You have to eat dairy, coat your stomach a little bit, and then do it. That way, it's like fire hitting water. You're not coating your stomach, which I didn't do, and I was not feeling it. It's gonna be like this is fucking, excuse me, fire in your stomach, just going like this, engulfing your stomach. So, with that being said, that's why my nose is very like runny right now because my body's having chemical reaction to all this stuff, and it's not fun right now. It's not fun, but don't hold on. Get another napkin right here. There you go. Sorry, tongue out. Do not say I didn't warn you. So let's recap, and then I'm gonna go for. If you want to do something stupid with spice, coat your stomach with dairy. If you don't do it, and you're gonna feel the reaction, you're gonna feel bubble guts. Basically what's called bubble guts. Your body is fighting the capsaicin in the body, trying to break it down. And let's break it down. You're feeling it in your stomach. You're feeling it in your soul. You're feeling it in your livelihood. You know, and somebody say it might knock down a few hours of your life. No, I'm just kidding. But what I'm saying is, yeah, coat it, eat it, you should be fine. Don't coat it, eat it, you're gonna be bad. And then you gotta fight it with dairy. So you can listen to me, or be a macho or not. It's whatever. I warned you. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Thanks for watching. I love y'all. Over and out. Peace.